push, baby. Go. Show Daddy how you go. Watch where you're going.
Get up in the street.
No, you don't go in the street. You almost fell down.
Doggy. Take the doggy.
Chloe. Look at Daddy. Did you almost fall again?
Turn it around, baby, and come back this way. Get on the driveway. Get on the driveway. It's easier to push on the driveway.
Go.
Woo! Look at her go. She gets like so far behind it.
Woo! I got you. Chloe, brush yourself off. Show her. Yeah, there you go.